Right, here's another Chinese chicken recipe for the common cold and the flu. You need a fresh whole chicken, and what I did was I put in the cold water, just wash them completely and put in the cold water, bring the water to boil, and then I just discard the water and cut the chicken into pieces. Just cut. It's very difficult to cut when it's not cooked. Right, so cut the whole chicken into 10 to 12 pieces. What I'm doing here is cut the wings and the leg, and then I come back cut the chicken into all the pieces. Right. I put the chicken pieces into a big saucepan and fill up with the water. The water should be just about to cover the chicken, and we turn the heat on, bring the water to boil. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, I prepared the vegetables here. You need 1 pound of carrots chopped here. Oh, sorry, not 1 pound. 1 kilogram actually is 2 pounds 3 ounces, and the same amount of the onions and chopped here as well. You also need 2 inches of root ginger and roughly chopped, and 3 to 4 spring onions and sliced. We use it later on, and also 4 garlic cloves and also chopped. These 2 we're gonna use it later on, right? And now the water is boiled. You can see that. Oh, and we added the ginger in, and we also need about 1 tablespoon dry chili, not too much. Then we add all the vegetables in, which we just need to add a bit each time, right? So there's a lot of onions there. Don't worry about that, because once it cooked, it will go down a bit. So we add a bit now. That's right, fill up to the pan. So you need a really big saucepan, because this whole chicken soup probably can serve 6 to 8 people. If you want to have each as a main course, that's well enough, I think. Serve with some bread. Right, okay, I put all my ingredients, not all, some of them in now. So now we just bring the soup back to boil, and then turn the heat down to probably simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Right, here's the soup done. It's been here for 2.5 hours. So I turn the heat up, and I added garlic. Just give the soup a little bit boost, and I add the sliced spring onions in as well. Right, and then we add the seasoning for that big pan of soup, you probably need 4 to 5 teaspoons. Just suit your taste. Okay, it's boiled. Turn it down and add some black pepper. Right, here's the chicken soup. We serve with some chopped parsley. Okay, that's it. That's Chinese chicken soup.